Hippolyta. Or Hippolyta 418 of 546, the best female comic book characters, 12 of 25, the strongest characters in the DCU, ranked 59 of 79, the best Wonder Woman versions of all time. Wonder Woman. More Wonder Woman 34 of 176, the 100 plus best DC Comics heroes of all time, according to fans. 25 of 214, the best female video game characters. 20 of 41, the best comic book characters with black hair. Superman. More Superman things you probably didn't know about Superman. 16 times Superman acted like an all-American jerk. 13 of 297, the best comic book superheroes of all time. Skyman. Jackknight. Starman. Spectre. Spectre. Robin. Robin. Red Tornado. More Red Tornado. 80 of 88, the greatest robots of all time. 8 of 16, the best members of Young Justice. 29 of 36, the best red characters. Mr. Terrific. Miss America. Magog. Johnny Thunder. Hourman. Hourman. Hawkman. Hawkman. Shiera Sanders. Sheera Sanders. Hector Hall. Damage. Crimson Avenger. Captain Marvel. Captain Marvel. Black Canary Roman II. Black Canary Roman II. Black Canary I. Black Adam. Batman. Batman. Atom. Amazing Man. Tomcat. Wildcat. Wildcat. Stargirl. Sandman Wesley Dodds. Sandman Wesley Dodds. Red Beetle. Power Girl. Power Girl. Obsidian. Mr. Terrific. Mr. Terrific, Mr. America Jeffrey Graves, Lightning, King Chimera, Judah Master, Jesse Quick, Jakeem Thunder, Founded Rick Tyler, Green Lantern, The Flash, Dr. Mid-Nite, Dr. Mid-Nite, Dr. Fate, more Dr. Fate 11 of 176, the 100 plus best DC Comics heroes of all time, according to fans 495 of 546, the best female comic book characters 8 of 17, the most uncomfortable masks in comic book history. Dark Knight, Cyclone, Citizen Steel, Blue Devil, Atom Smasher.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.